Alphabetic chart. A for apple, A for apple, B for ball, B for ball, b. C for cat, C for cat, k. D for dog, D for dogs, d. E for elephant, E for egg, F for fish, F for football, f. G for grapes, G for girl, g. H for horse, H for hand, I for ice cream, I for eyes, J for jam, J for joker, J. K for kite, K for king, k. L for lion, L for lamp, l. M for monkey, M for mouse, N for nose, N for nest, O for orange, O for owl, P for parrot, P for peacock, p. Q for queen, Q for quail, k. R for rose, R for rabbit, r. S for shape, S for sandwich, s. T for tiger, T for telephone, t. U for umbrella, U for uniform, y. V for van, V for wallet, v. W for watch, v. X for x-ray, s. Y for yak, Y for yak, y. Z for zebra, Z for zebra, z. Alphabetic chart.